Tammy Sytch, formerly known as Sunny, of 90s wrestling fame, pleaded no contest to a felony charge of DUI causing death, among other charges, and could face up to 25 years in prison. Sytch initially pleaded not guilty to all charges, but changed her plea to no contest days before the case was slated to go to trial, as part of an agreement with prosecutors. This case, of course, isn't Tammy's first run-in with the law. Check out the archives now for more info on the Tammy Sytch story and everything that led us to this point. Sytch has been in jail since May of 2022. She does have new representation. If you remember, her last lawyer allegedly couldn't work with her and stopped representing her.
Prosecutors argued they wanted Tammy Sytch back behind bars because they believe she is a danger to the community.
And we have seemingly one event after another related to alcohol abuse.
Judge Karen Foxman pointed to a list of law enforcement encounters in the 49-year-old's past. Among them, 3 prior DUI convictions in Pennsylvania in 2015.
And she has consistently shown that she's going to get behind the wheel of a vehicle intoxicated, and not just at a low intoxication level.
A crash report states Sytch's blood alcohol level was more than 3 times the legal limit on March 25th.
Real quick, what's your last name?
Sytch, S-Y-T-C-H.
An officer testified in court that Sytch admitted she was drinking vodka earlier that night and had left her home to get a diet iced tea.
I observed an unsealed bottle of Grey Goose in the passenger side floorboard of the white Mercedes.
The report says Sytch ran into a vehicle stopped at a red light on US 1 and Granada Boulevard, killing 75-year-old Julian Lassiter. Sytch refused to comment on the case.
I think that this whole process, everybody's been hurt, not just the family.
Her fiance had this to say about the hearing.
They should have decided that she was a threat to society before they granted a $225,000 bond, had me pay $22,000.
Tammy Sytch will remain in jail while she waits for trial.
And Judgment Day draws closer. There's a lot of eyes on this case. The local Florida community is crushed by the loss of Mr. Lassiter, the man who passed away due to Tammy's actions. A sentencing date is set for November 27th. Stay tuned for more news as it breaks.